Magnificent example of the new Range Rover just arrived. When we get a car like this, white, black exterior styling pack, 23-inch wheels, it sells straight away. Now this is the first one we've had that's under £110,000. Wonderful price. It's the right engine. It's a 350 brake horsepower new Range Rover in white. How good does it look? The Shadowline exterior, the 23-inch wheels, the black roof. It's got a sliding roof, full black interior, digital LED lights. It is first class on a 2022-22 Land Rover warranty until 2025. This car is a head turner. It's got the right exterior look to it, and what a seller it must be for us. Things like soft closed doors, steps, full black exterior styling, full black interior to include black roof, black seats. This car is wonderful to drive. It is the right engine. It's 350 brake horsepower, 3-litre diesel. So it's a wonderful driver with all-wheel steering. It's just the best. And this one, just under 110, like I say, is the best value one we have had for sale. So register your interest straight away. Ring me my number on the screen. My name is Richard. My number's there. If you're interested, ring me, get it secured. How nice does it look? Black roof, full privacy glass to the rear. The wheels make a massive difference, as do the steps, as do the mud flaps. It's got mud flaps front and rear, which are actually painted in black, not just plastic. Makes a difference. Rear end, digital LED rear light, black styling across the boot. And these cars, you know, so much space in the boot, so much space in the back, air suspension, switchable from the rear, as are your electric seats to the rear, the fold down like so, with the buttons in the back. Flush door handles, keyless entry, keyless start, digital climate control to the rear, heated seats to the rear, ambient lighting throughout, reclining rear seats through the controls at the side here. And the finishes in these cars are exceptional. So we've got soft closed doors, which I'll show you. Leather, exceptional finishes throughout. Top door, mid door, you'll see we've got memory seats for driver and passenger, full ambient lighting, Meridian sound system. These cars come with adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, blind spot assist. But look at the styling on this car from the angle we're looking at now. Black mirrors, the Shadowline exterior with the atlases, the wheels, it's just absolutely stunning. And for me, the colour makes it. A lot of these cars we sell are grey and black. Very rare do we get a white one, especially that looks like this from the exterior. And it is all about the price and the engine. The 350 horsepower makes a massive difference. The steps helping me to get in. And then once you're in the cabin of this car, there is just nothing better, from the seating position to the control and the setup of the interface. Pivi Pro interface throughout, so we've got digital interface behind the steering wheel. On the steering wheel, see, we've got heated, adaptive cruise, lane assist. So easy to use this Pivi Pro. From the screen, I think it's a 12.1-inch touchscreen or 13.1-inch touchscreen. Navigation, Bluetooth, media interface, smartphone interface, which is wireless. Then the four-wheel drive and terrain settings, weight sensor, energy impact. It is the camera system, which is great as well, from reversing camera, top view, all the different angles from the 3D. Check this out. Just a wonderful, wonderful interface. On-road cameras and off-road cameras. Going back into park and back into the home screen and going to our seat selections. We've got heated front seats, heated rear seats, digitalized climate control. By pushing that in, you get to your seats. By pulling it out, you get to your fan speed. And then by pushing it again, we can just twist for our climate control. Heated front and rear screens. This section here is your different drive modes, from dynamic, grass, gravel, snow, and all your different modes to go through water. If you want to take this vehicle off-road, for sure it'll do that. Short shift gear stick, keyless start, space under the armrest. Everything in this car is wireless, so your smartphone interface is wireless, so really you don't have to plug your phone in. It is absolutely stunning. You'll notice the full black interior with black headlining, black leather seats, black doors, full black steering wheel, and black mid-dash, which I love, especially when you've got a light exterior. It's just an incredible car. And on the website now, so if you're looking, it's a fabulous buy. It's the right engine. It's got the right exterior styling. It's one owner from new. It is a wonderful car. My name is Richard. My number's on the screen. Please call me about this Range Rover. Be very, very quick. Thanks for watching.